Greetings and welcome to the Introduction to Astronomy. In this week's Multicultural Astronomy, we continue our look at Chinese astronomy, and we'll talk about the astronomer Yi Xing and look at his contributions to astronomy. So let's go ahead and get started. In ancient China, astronomy was more than a scientific pursuit. It was closely tied to government, agriculture, and the authority of the emperor. Accurate calendars were essential for predicting the seasons, planning festivals, and forecasting eclipses. If the calendar was wrong, it could be seen as a sign that the emperor had lost the favor of heaven. In the early 8th century, during the Tang dynasty, one of China's most remarkable astronomers stepped forward to improve the imperial calendar. His name was Yi Xing. He was not only an astronomer, but also a mathematician, an engineer, and a Buddhist monk. Yi Xing worked under imperial support to refine astronomical measurements and improve the accuracy of eclipse predictions. One of Yi Xing's most important contributions was his work on the calendar system. By studying the motion of the sun and the moon, he helped develop improved methods for predicting eclipses and tracking the passage of time. These refinements made the calendar more accurate and more reliable for both the government and the people. In a society where the calendar carried political and spiritual significance, this was an achievement of great importance. Yi Xing also helped organize one of the earliest large-scale astronomical observation programs. Observation stations were set up across different parts of China. By comparing measurements taken at different locations, astronomers could track the positions of stars, measure the lengths of shadows, and better understand the size and shape of the Earth. This coordinated effort across a vast region was a remarkable example of early scientific collaboration. Yi Xing also contributed to the design and improvement of astronomical instruments. He worked on more accurate measuring devices and a celestial globe that represented the stars and constellations. These tools helped astronomers make better observations and improved the accuracy of their calculations. Through calendar reform, coordinated observations, and improved instruments, Yi Xing helped strengthen the link between astronomy and daily life in imperial China. His work ensured that the rhythm of the heavens were reflected more accurately in the rhythms of the human world. So that concludes this week's discussion of the astronomer Yi Xing. We'll be back again next week to talk about another astronomer of China. So until then, have a great day, everyone, and I will see you in class.